Steps to install Visual Studio Code on Mac. Open a browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link. Click on Download for macOS. Click on Save to save it to Downloads. Wait for the file to download. Open Downloads. Double-click on the zip file. Drag and drop Visual Studio Code to Applications folder. Close the windows. Open Spotlight Search and start typing Visual Studio Code. And press Enter. Visual Studio Code opens. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code on macOS. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.